Here we go with the smoked turkey and the black eyed peas finished product. Smoked turkey and black eyed peas right here, guys. Still hot. Let's see if we can get it going. Looks like it to me. There we go. See that, people? Isn't that beautiful? You see the heat. You can see the heat, yeah. Alright, and the fried chicken came out beautiful and tasty. So, go ahead and enjoy your day. Again, I'm already ready for dinner. And for breakfast, we're going to have this with some rice and eggs. And then for dinner, we could have that, right? Okay. Have a great day. It's Sunday. Peace. Bye.